Worried your child is not talking? Complete your own do-it-yourself speech and language assessment tool from the comfort of your own home. Our simple questionnaire lets you know in minutes if your child is communicating within age-appropriate level or has a delay. A personalized therapy plan, including games and strategies, will be provided to you to help your child improve at home. Hi, my name is Beatrice from Singapore.
And my name is Muna from London. We are two speech and language therapists from Teddy Hope Speech Therapy, and our aim is to make speech therapy accessible and affordable to all. With the My Language Toolbox, we bring you the first online assessment and therapy tool that can be used by both parents or teachers at home, preschool, or school.
Therapy can be so easy because you can do it yourself at home with our instructional videos, activities, and handouts. If needed, we have a therapist readily available for consultation.
Find out more at www.teddyhope.sg.